Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. GSTAR 2022. Let me tell you that this conference this year is happening at a time at which the world is already at war. This is very unfortunate. Europe is at war, Middle East is already at war, South Asia is also not going through peace and stability. Absence of war does not mean that we are stable or we are living in a peaceful environment. Afghanistan is highly uncertain, Sri Lanka is highly uncertain, and Pakistan is also going through economic crisis. So I think CASS has done a great job by organizing this conference at this crucial time when Russia and Ukraine war is already entering into its 9th month. It was not expected when the war broke out. It was thought that Russia will just overrun Ukraine. However, Ukraine resistance, because of a strong support by US-led allies, is really holding on. Although Ukraine has lost a lot of territory and Russia has already claimed at least 4 regions, but that does not mean that Ukraine has given up. On the other hand, Russia is also not letting it go. It is continuing because Russia had thought that Ukraine was its red line and it should not have been breached by the Western world by inviting Ukraine into NATO or the European Union. It might accept that Ukraine joins the European Union, but Russia will never accept that Ukraine joins the NATO because Russia does not want NATO forces on its border. Thank you.